Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached egg sauce. Start by preparing a gentle simmer and a shallow pan of water for poaching, then whisk an acid and melted butter together to form a classic sauce base. Keep the eggs small and fresh, use a slotted spoon to lift them, and finish with seasoning. I will guide you step by step with friendly tips and simple adjustments for consistent results. Begin by collecting all ingredients and tools so nothing interrupts your flow while cooking. Prepare small bowls for cracking each egg to avoid shells and to slide them smoothly into the water. Melt butter gently and measure acid so you can whisk them quickly into a cohesive sauce once eggs are ready. Keep towels and a slotted spoon nearby to drain and plate without losing heat or texture during plating. Start with the pan at a low simmer so the eggs poach evenly without aggressive agitation. Crack each egg into its own bowl and slide it into the water using a gentle wrist motion to keep whites intact. While the eggs cook, whisk melted butter with lemon or vinegar, seasoning to taste until silky. Lift eggs with a slotted spoon, let excess water drain, spoon sauce over them, and serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.